Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we're learning how to say common places around town in Korean, things like hospital, restaurant, airport, and more. This is essential vocabulary for navigating daily life in Korea. Here's how this works. I'll show you the Korean word on screen, read it out loud so you can hear the pronunciation, and then give you the English meaning. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The more you say it out loud, the faster it sticks. Let's get started.
학교, 병원, 약국, 은행, 편의점, 마트, 카페, 식당, 공원, 도서관, 영화관, 공항, 지하철역, 버스 정류장, 호텔, 화장실, 경찰서, 백화점, 서점, 우체국. 은행 어디예요? 이 근처에 카페 있어요. 편의점 가고 싶어요. 공원에서 산책해요.
That's it for today's lesson. We covered 22 common places and some really useful phrases for asking about them. Practice saying these out loud. Even just 5 minutes a day makes a huge difference. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Drop a comment and let me know which word was the hardest to pronounce. I'd love to hear from you.